What up guys, welcome back to the channel, because today we are installing fog lights. Yes, today we're installing fog lights. We're putting those on the Honda Civic. I'm gonna show you guys the fog lights I purchased. Now, before you jump into this video, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button below, okay? And hit the like button, and also hit the notification bell. You won't miss any of my next videos coming out on this channel. And also follow me on Instagram if you have any questions, because your boy is always there. And yeah, so let's get started and see how this goes. Alright, so I purchased these fog lights at 1A Auto. If you guys do not know what 1A Auto is, they always give me out great tutorials, and I'm so grateful that they have a tutorial on here step by step how to install this whole kit. Now I'm gonna show you guys what I have in this kit. Now this is like the whole diagram. So you have your switch plug, your extension cables, your bulbs, your positive, your negative, your relay, your fuse, your, you know, everything. I never installed nothing like this before. All the installs in the past are pretty simple, especially coilovers, exhaust, stuff like that. But these fog lights are so nice. And they're gonna look so good on the Honda Civic. Cannot wait. So let's get started with this and let's figure this out. These should be able to pop out, you know. So hopefully these can pop out. Hope I don't have to do any cutting. But yes, these should be able to pop out. So this is what we gotta do right now. Got some great news for you guys. So I did this one off camera. So easy to get these things out. This one right here is out. It's so easy. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. So all you have to do, if you have this type style bumper, see these tabs right here? All you have to do is like this. Push them in, push them in, push them in, push them in, and it will pop out. Okay, so the inserts are out. Now we can start test fitting the fog lights and see how they look. And then we get to the other part, the wiring. Okay, so now these right here, focus, these inserts, they are one is here and one is here. You put those right there. It's only 2 screws to keep this thing up. Then you screw these in there. Then you do this. I'm gonna do the same for the other side. Then we can screw them in there. Then that will be done installing the fog lights. Then we just got to figure out the wire and all that after that. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick update. This is where we at. So this is what I figured out. It's my relay. I'm gonna put that right there. This is my fuse. And what I did was I actually had this harness. I just put it under here, the coolant, not the coolant, the radiator. Put it under here, and then this right here, about to run this in the car. So that's why we have this extension right here. Got that clean. Put the relay and the fuse over there just for now. Got my ground wire attached to that one right here. I gotta zip tie all this up and zip tie it somewhere up here.
A few inches later.
Now I remove these clips right here. Now it should be behind this right here. So you can see it in the camera. That piece right here. So that's what we have to remove. That piece right here with this, and then we can insert our wire through there and it will end up on the other side. There she is. All right, so we got this inside the car. then we're gonna move this part right here. So we're gonna insert the fog light switch. All right, so I'm gonna loosen this right here. So I can put this ground wire there. Hook my ground up, got everything situated. I'm zip tie that. Your boy got power. See that green? Press it. And voila. Lights. Woo, woo. Yeah, so focus for me. I got them installed. Got them looking very, very nice. So now we're about to put everything back inside this thing looks. Alright.
1 hour later.
Officially installed new fog lights on the Honda Civic. This looks so nice. Man. But yes, this comes to the end of the video. If you like this video, like I said in the beginning, hit that like button, because it helps out a lot on this channel.
1 eternity later.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm about to mark that off on my list right now. I'm about to mark that off. So the fog lights are done. But if you enjoyed that video, I want you guys hit that subscribe button, subscribe, comment, do everything. Let me know that you're there, that you're watching. But yes, if you like that video, I appreciate it so much. And you know the saying, legit is out.